In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete media from Telegram to keep your storage space. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Telegram and then get into your settings right here, and there select data and storage. Then select the very first option, storage usage. And here I can adjust time to keep media on that device. Photos, videos and other files from cloud chats that you have not accessed during this period will be removed from this device to save disk space. By default, it's set to forever, so the files will not be deleted. I can set that option to 1 week or just for 3 days. I'll select 1 week, and also here we can adjust maximum cache size, and if your cache size exceeds this limit, all this media will be deleted. All media will stay in Telegram Cloud and can be re-downloaded if you need it again. That's important. And let me change that limit from now limit option to 5 gigabytes. Here below I see that Telegram cache now takes 3 gigabytes of storage space, and I can clear all that cache. Just tap on that button, clear Telegram cache, right here. Tap on that. Select all type of files I need to clear cache for. For example, I see that video takes too much space. I'll select just video and tap on clear. So that's how it works, and I hope it helped you. And before you go, please like and subscribe.